Listen, children. In the last class, I told you take for homework note and write the homework question. But unknowingly, the video is closed. Okay, so no problem. It's okay. First of all, I give homework. Okay, take for homework note and write the homework question. We need first one. Write the heading. Fill in the blanks. Already, you have written your name, subject. Yes. Now come to the heading. Fill in the blanks. First one, we need dash to survive. Find the answer from the book from page number 101 to 104. We need dash to survive. Second, our body gets oxygen through the process called dash. Our body, write neatly, children. Okay, use pencil and write. Muscular tube, third question, muscular tube extending from the dash to dash. Then fourth question, salivary glands secrete dash which moistures food. Fifth one, smoke contains large amount of dash, a toxic gas. Okay, so how many questions I have given for homework? Only 5 fill-ups. Find the answer. Okay, children. Then now listen, take your classwork note, write the meanings. Write meanings, take classwork note, write your name, write subject name. Then come to the first page, lesson 1, write the heading, organ system. Then put the side heading, meanings. Okay. First, organ system, உறுப்பு அமைப்பு. உறுப்பு அமைப்பு. Digestive system, செரிமான அமைப்பு. Third one, alimentary canal, உணவு குழாய். Fourth one, digestive tract, செரிமான தடம். Fifth one, parotid gland, உமிழ்நீர் சுரப்பிகள். Sixth one, duodenum, சிறுகுடலின் முற்பகுதி. Seventh one, digestive glands, செரிமான சுரப்பிகள். Eighth one, airway, காற்று வழி. Ninth one, blood vessel, இரத்த குழாய். Tenth one, capillaries, தந்துகிகள். Last one, peripheral nervous system, புற நரம்பு மண்டலம். I read them again. You listen carefully. Organ system, உறுப்பு அமைப்பு. Digestive system, செரிமான அமைப்பு. Alimentary canal, உணவு குழாய். Digestive tract, செரிமான தடம். Parotid glands, உமிழ்நீர் சுரப்பிகள். Duodenum, சிறுகுடலின் முற்பகுதி. Digestive glands, செரிமான சுரப்பிகள். Airway, காற்று வழி. Blood vessel, இரத்த குழாய். Capillaries, தந்துகிகள். Peripheral nervous system, புற நரம்பு மண்டலம். Did you write, children? Okay. Listen, I have given classwork and also homework. In the previous class, we have completed up to 2 systems. Yes, what are respiratory system and also digestive system. Today's class, you are going to study from circulatory system. Okay, take page number 104, circulatory system. Take page number 104. Okay, are you taking? Did you take a book? Okay, open that, turn to 104. In this system, blood is circulated to transport oxygen and nutrients to every part of the body. This circulatory system, blood is circulated, ratta otta mandalam. Okay, blood is circulated to transport the oxygen and nutrient to every part of the body. Circulatory system consists of 3: heart, blood vessels, blood. Heart, blood vessels, blood. Okay, now first we study about heart. You see, heart is there. Yes, that the heart picture. You look at the heart picture. Very nice to see. Yes. Okay, listen. The heart is a hollow muscular organ. The heart is a hollow and a hollow muscular organ. You see, the heart is a hollow and muscular organs. தசைகளால் ஆனது muscular organ, தசைகளால் ஆன உறுப்பு. Okay, it is somewhat conical in shape. You look at this shape, conical in shape. It is covered with a double-walled membrane that is called pericardium. That is called pericardium, double-walled membrane. So that is called pericardium. Next, the space between the membranes is called pericardial fluid. The space between the membranes is filled with pericardial fluid. Then the pericardial fluid protects the heart from shock. The pericardial fluid protects the heart from shock. எதுவும் அதிர்ச்சியான தகவல்கள், நம்ம ஒருவேளை ஒரு சிலருக்கு அதிர்ச்சியான தகவல்கள் கொடுத்துட்டோம் அப்படின்னா திடீர்னு ஹார்ட் ஃபங்க்ஷன் பண்ணதே ஸ்டாப் பண்ணிடும். ஸோ திஸ் pericardial fluid protects the heart from shock. So heart is placed inside the thoracic chamber, rib cage, in between the two lungs. Okay. Then the heart, you see, look at the picture. Right pulmonary vein, right pulmonary artery, right atrium, right ventricle. You see that left pulmonary vein, left pulmonary artery, left atrium, left ventricle, cardiac muscles. Okay, now you see the heart is divided into 4 chambers, 4 அறைகள். Okay, it's divided into 4 chambers. The 2 upper chambers, you look at the picture, 4 chamber, 2 upper chambers, that is called atria or auricle. That's singular form, atrium. Okay, 2 lower chamber are called ventricles. Right ventricle, left ventricle, lower chamber. The upper and lower chambers of the heart are separated by a muscular wall or tissue that is known as auriculoventricular septum of the heart. Auriculoventricular septum of the heart. The right side of the heart receives deoxygenated blood from various parts of the body and pumps it to the lungs for oxygenation. The left side of the, what is the function of right side of the heart? It receives deoxygenated blood from various parts of body, then pumps it to the lungs for oxygenation. ஆக்சிஜனேற்றம் அடைவு செய்வதற்காக அது எங்கே பம்ப் பண்ணுது அப்படின்னா pumps it to the lungs. Then left side of the heart function என்ன? It receives the oxygenated blood from the lungs and pumps into various different parts of the body. Okay, then we will study blood vessel. Now listen children, blood vessel, இரத்த குழாய். Okay, blood vessel consists of arteries, auricle, veins and capillaries, தந்துகிகள். Okay, arteries carry the oxygenated blood except pulmonary artery which carries deoxygenated blood from the heart. Then veins carry deoxygenated blood except pulmonary vein which carries oxygenated blood to the heart. Then capillaries, தந்துகிகள், what is the function? Or thin blood vessels which connect the arteries and veins. They help in exchange of materials between the circulatory system and body tissue. இரத்த குழாயினுடைய ஃபங்க்ஷன் என்ன, அதில் என்னென்ன பார்ட்ஸ்லாம் இருக்குது? ஆர்ட்ரிஸ் இருக்குது, வெயின்ஸ் இருக்குது, கேபிலரிஸ். what are the function of arteries, what are the function of capillaries, what are the function of veins? We have studied. Okay, then next blood. We come to blood. Blood transports nutrients, oxygen, waste and hormones. The volume of blood in human adults is 4 to 5 liter. ஹியூமன் அடல்ட்ஸில் blood எவ்வளோ லிட்டர்ஸ் இருக்கும் அப்படின்னா 4 to 5 liters. It regulates water level and the body temperature. It regulates water level and body temperature. Blood is pumped throughout the body by the heart. இதயத்தின் மூலமாக இரத்தங்கள் உடலில் எல்லா பார்ட்ஸுக்கும் பம்ப் பண்ணுது. ஓகே, blood என்ன செய்யுது, பம்ப் பண்ணுது. It takes oxygen to the tissues and cells, finally reaches the lungs to take oxygen again. Okay, now we studied circulatory system. System consists 3 parts: heart, blood vessels and blood. We studied them one by one. Yes children, now you come to, do you know there are some animals like lobsters and crabs that have blue blood. That color of the blood is blue color. Cockroach has colorless, otherwise white blood. Okay, then you come to activity 2. Locate where pulse points either on wrist or neck. Locate where pulse point either on wrist or neck. Place your right index and middle finger on the palm side of the left wrist. On the neck, the pulse point is located beneath the ear and jaw bone. Count the number of beats for 15 seconds. Multiply this by 4. Okay, this shows how many times the heart beats in 1 minute. How many times? 60 times. Okay, in 1 minute the heart beats 60 times. Okay children, now we are going to study about excretory system. It is in page number 105. Excretory system removes the waste products from the body. What is the function of excretory system? கழிவு நீரை வெளியேற்றுவது. Okay, கழிவு நீக்க மண்டலம். So what is the function? It removes the waste product from the body. It also regulates water and electrolyte balance. Then kidneys, lungs, liver and skin together function as excretory organs. Excretory system consists of the following: kidneys, ureters, urinary bladder. Consists 3: kidneys, ureters, urinary bladder. Look at this kidneys, சிறுநீரகம். Okay, the kidneys, you look at the picture also. Picture is here. Yes, first the kidneys filter the blood to remove waste and produce urine. The kidneys filter the blood to remove waste and produce urine. Okay, the kidneys are a pair of dark red bean-shaped organs placed behind the abdomen on either side of the vertebral column. Where kidneys placed? It is behind the abdomen on either side of the vertebral column. The average adult's kidney measure about 12 cm in length, then 6 cm in width. அதனுடைய நீளம், அதனுடைய அகலம், அதனுடைய thickness 3 cm. Okay, 12 cm in length, 6 cm in width and 3 cm in thickness. Listen, kidneys are a pair of dark and bean-shaped organ. It is placed behind the abdomen on either side of the vertebral column. The average adult kidneys measures about length is 12 cm, width is 6 cm, thickness is 3 cm. Okay, right kidney, you see, right kidney is slightly lower than the left kidney. Slightly. You look at this two, you can understand that difference. கொஞ்சம் கீழே இறங்கியிருக்கு, அப்படி தானே? ரைட் கிட்னி ஸ்லைட்லி லோயர் தேன் த லெஃப்ட் கிட்னி. தென் இரண்டு கிட்னிகளுமே, ரெண்டு சிறுநீரகங்களுமே இஸ் கவர்டு பை, எதால் சூழப்பட்டிருக்கு அப்படின்னா ஒரு ஃபைப்ரஸ் மெம்பரேன். அதனுடைய பெயர் என்ன அப்படின்னா கேப்சூல். வாட் இஸ் தட்? கேப்சூல். CAPSULE. Next, the kidneys are made up of millions of excretory units. So that unit name is nephrons. How to pronounce? Nephrons. Which are the structural and functional units of the kidneys? Which are the structural and functional units of the kidneys? Now look at the picture. Right kidney, left kidney, ureter, then urinary bladder, then urethra, second part, ureters. We will study ureters. Listen, two ureters. You look at the picture and explain. Two ureters connect the kidney. Two ureters connect the kidneys with the urinary bladder. So urine formed from each kidney reaches urinary bladder through ureters. Okay, children. Next we study about urinary bladder. Next we study about urinary bladder. Sirinirpai. Okay. You see, it is sac-like in shape. That look at that picture. Look at the shape, sac-like in shape, and acts as a temporary storage organ of urine. It helps us here. It acts as a temporary storage organ of urine. Or that urine are stored here only. Urine, that is the wastage stored here. Okay, that is temporary, not permanent. Urine entering the urinary bladder. Urine entering the urine from the ureters slowly fill the hollow space inside the bladder. Urine is expelled from the body through the urethra. கழிவுநீர்கள் எல்லாம் வெளியேற்றப்படுகிறது. யூரித்ரா சிறுநீர் குழாய் வழியாக என்ன செய்யப்படுகிறது? வெளியேற்றப்படுகிறது. Okay children, you see, do you know every minute kidneys receive approximately 1.250 liter of blood. Okay, today's I am not giving classwork and homework because I have given classwork and also homework. Okay, we will meet again in the next video. Thank you all.